Well, g'day curd nerds. Welcome to another taste test. This time, it's a cheese that I've done a taste test on already, but what I did, I cut half of my double Gloucester and vacuum packed the other half, so we've eaten the other one ages ago. So this was made on the 12th of July 2017, or maybe that's when it was made. So I'm going to do a taste test on a 1-year-old cheese. So let's have a look and inspect the bag. Well, first of all, there's just a little bit of whey, just a little bit that's seepage. I can tell by the vacuum packing there. But other than that, it looks fairly intact. So it looks pretty good to go. So let's cut it open and have a look. Whew, look at that. Okay. Smells normal, nothing abnormal about that. A little bit of liquid in the bag, just a tiny fraction. So I'll get rid of that and this, and we'll come back. So back again, we've got a little bit of just a paper towel. Just want to dampen that off before I cut it and eat it. It's only a tiny bit of whey. You get that with long aged cheeses in vacuum packing, so it's no big deal. Okay, lovely. All right, I'll put that bit here in a minute. So just pop that out of the way. And we've got my trusty cheese cutter. Now, I'm going to remember how to use it. Right, so put that bit there, turn it around, and we're going to pull it towards myself. Like that. So nice smooth paste. Hardly any mechanical holes at all. Oh, absolutely smells very nice. It has mature cheddar undertones, so kind of think of it that way. Let me just put that piece over there. See if I can cut a thin slice off. See how good I am with this. Oops, steady. Right, well, I wouldn't say it's the thinnest of slices, but yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's have a taste. Smell first. No off smells whatsoever, as you would expect. It crumbles, it's fairly crumbly. You can't bend it. Yes, there's a sharpness, vintage sort of sharpness there. Oh, this is delightful. Cheese all over my hands. This is a very lovely cheese. I can't stop eating it. So good. So what I'm going to do is I'll keep this, we'll use this over the next couple of weeks, and I'll vacuum pack another piece. So this piece here, and what I'll do, I'll pop that into the cheese fridge and age it for another 6 months, and we'll see what happens. So a good little experiment as well to do with some of your own cheeses. Now, if you make it every week, like I do, cheese that is, then you'll often have a surplus. So there's no reason why you couldn't mature your cheese longer, as long as you've got enough room in your cheese fridge, of course. But yeah, this has turned out to be a very lovely, deep flavoured cheese. No bitterness, just a sharp, acidic, but smooth creaminess. The fat coats all of your mouth. Really good cheese. And I did leave this to come up to room temperature, which is ideal. You really should do that with all of your cheeses before you taste them, because when they're cold they don't quite taste right. So let it come up to room temperature. Typically I let it come up over about half an hour, so 30 minutes, and it's right for tasting. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this taste test, then don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can get notified of more interesting cheese making videos that I release weekly. In fact, I'm doing nearly 3, sometimes 4 even a week now, if you're starved for cheesy content in your life. But if you want to see more cheeses that are longer aged, then I've got a Parmesan coming up in a month's time, so that'll be ready. That's been aged for 12 months, and that'll be an interesting cheese to taste. Totally different flavour profile than this double Gloucester that I've just had now. I did add a little bit of annatto to this cheese when I first made it, not very much, but the colour has deepened. I only remember putting a couple of drops of annatto in. Anyway, if you want to check out how I made double Gloucester, then you can click over here. Don't forget that you can be a patron of the channel, either via memberships in YouTube or via the Patreon link that's down in the description below, or may appear over here somewhere. And you'll receive cool perks as the tiers go up in monetary value. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you next time.